Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing Tati Beauty's Blendiful, which recently just got released, and I'm really excited because this is supposed to be two brush sponges that will apply makeup to your entire face, and you only use, wait for it, just one. Mind blown. So before we get started, we have two of these super adorable sponges. We have Big Blender and we have Baby Blender. According to Tati, you're able to use this Big Blender all over your face for your entire foundation routine. Now, if you guys have seen my other foundation routines, you know there are a few steps and there's different products that we use, some powders, some creams, some liquids, but Tati's saying that we can use this one beauty blender on all of it, and then the smaller blender can be used for blush and highlighter. So let's take just a quick second to see what Tati had to say about this product. Okay, so the Blendiful is a makeup applicator you didn't know you needed. This game-changing soft textured fabric tool is a blending dream that's designed to seamlessly apply and soften both liquid and powder products. The rounded edge and the pointed tip help to provide a perfect blend step to step in your makeup application. Buff in foundation with a little product waste, experience seamless contour, smoother concealer, and the most airbrush powder application. Even in those hard to reach areas of the face, save product, save time, and become the expert artist of your own unique routine. However you choose to use the Blendiful, your look will be one with no harsh lines every time. XO Tati. So she's saying that it's going to save us some product, it's going to save us some coin because we only need these, we don't have to keep buying brush sets. And it does say on the back that it is machine wash and dry clean in delicate laundry bag, or gently hand wash in warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly and blot dry. So I have seen reviews that say you can use this with a blow dryer, so if you hand wash it, you can use it to quickly blow dry it. If this is true, this is saving my life. So let's find out, let's get started. Kicking it off, I'm going to use my primer on my face, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on the corner of the brush as so, and we're just going to, I'm going to tap and then rub in. And I always do my primer with my hand, so this does feel weird, but for you all, I will do it. Now, I do have my natural hair out, so I think I'm going to clip it back because my stylist said don't let any liquids touch my hair, and I think makeup counts. I think I said my makeup artist. I definitely meant my hairstylist, but whatever. Okay, so now that we've completed priming our face, again, that was the Milk Hydro Primer, which I absolutely love. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty on here. I'm just really interested to see how this works because I don't know. I just feel like it's crazy to say it saves product. I am gonna just put the Fenty directly on my face first. And with Fenty, you really can't put too much product, and I think I'm going crazy. So hopefully Tati does waste a little bit of it. I'm interested to see how it washes out, and I may do a separate video just on the cleaning step because it's just really hard for me because I'm darker skin that it will wash right out. Oh, wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is gonna save me so much time. It covered so much space. Like, I'm already halfway done with blending this in already. So, tapping in at the top. Again, I have to protect these edges because she said no liquids, And I'm counting makeup as that as well, including liquid foundation. We ain't got time. Okay, so above here, I am gonna go in with that bottom edge to get close into the eyebrow area. I actually feel like I may need some more product. So I'm using the whole brush, and I feel like this is, everyone said it felt kind of weird. Now, ooh, it looks terrible. Oh my God, I'm panicked. I am panicked. I don't know if I've changed color because it's winter time or what, but this looks really, really red. So let us hope and pray. Ooh, I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Usually when I use my buffer brush, it kind of buffs everything in and blends everything in really nicely. Maybe I should have used my Born This Way foundation instead of my Fenty Beauty, but it's all right. We'll figure it out. We'll get it together. So again, using, oh, maybe I could take some of this product and put it, yep, that worked. Using some of this all around. I'm literally wiping off all this extra product. Yeah, this isn't blending as well as my Fenty normally blends, but it's okay. Once I add the concealer, I think in my Huda Beauty contour, I think I'll be back in action, but ew, that red color is gross. Now I'm going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. You guys know how much I love this concealer. It has not changed. I am gonna go heavy with the concealer because I feel like this Fenty's coming out a bit red for my taste, and I don't love that. I don't know, I've used this plenty of times. I don't know why it looks so much more red. I don't know if it's the beauty blender or if my skin tone has changed a bit. I haven't been on any beach vacation, so it should look the same, but that's all right. We'll just go a little heavier with concealer, and this is a good way to see how you can fix when you have an issue like that. Oh, Fenty, you look so good in pictures, but sometimes in person. Okay, so going to go ahead and use, I am going to be cognizant, like I use the foundation a lot on this side, so I'm gonna go a little bit on the side that hasn't been used as much, and I'm going to just blend that right on in. We're gonna just tap, 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 tap all the way through. And apply this. Yeah, I know I watched Patrick Starr's review, and I really thought that it was going to be really weird, but he's been doing makeup way longer than me, so maybe that's why it doesn't feel as weird to me. But yeah, it actually feels kind of nice. It's nice and soft. It feels like I'm doing my makeup with a pillow. But yeah, it is really big, and I'm not really using the little hand piece because I feel like it's giving me less control right now. So, okay, there we go. There we go, Riri. You were scaring me a bit. Okay. Okay, so I want to get into these corners that are a little tough. It is missing. I am like having to like hold that corner right up to be able to spread the concealer into the spots that I need. But she is right. It does. It blends pretty perfectly. It blends pretty perfectly. Get some of that glitter. I got a little close and started moving the glitter from underneath my eye around. Okay. Tati, I had my doubts. I doubted you. And while I just put a little bit more product at the top, I just want to quickly shout out my baby sis that's always supporting me in my channel, who immediately saw this and sent it over. So I'm not to the level where people are sending me stuff yet, but in the meantime, I always have family and friends that support me and send me stuff or give me products to be able to review. So thank you, sis. Okay, so now that I've done my foundation and my concealer. I can say that I really don't see lines like that, which is nice. And I can just use the same sponge to, you know, any harsh lines or anywhere that I feel like I need to blend out, which I like. Now I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Tantour line, and I'm on my last leg with this. And I'm just going to apply it in all of my normal places to contour. I am using the bottom of the sponge for this part to use as an applicator. So we're going to just apply it all the way across. This is saving me time. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just getting through this compared to, oh wait, my nose, let's focus. Compared to the time that I usually take for having to switch out brushes and fine brushes while I'm recording. So I know I said I mean, we got to use our finger a little bit. I can't use this brush for everything. Some things I can't adjust to, not even for a good review. Okay, so applying this on the forehead, and then I am gonna probably blend that out a little bit. Yeah, using that other side of the brush that I used earlier. I'm blending that out a bit because it looks a little dark for my taste. I'm just curious on how, when I use my powders, is this going to work? I saw other people use it, and I know it can be done, but I'm still nervous about it. Okay, we're looking chiseled and beautiful. And guys, I'm really liking this natural hair. Like, oh my gosh, I'm really excited about it. It's been, like I said in my other video, it's been 3 years since I've worn my natural hair out. So it was definitely time. Okay, now we are using the Ben Nye Banana Powder, and we're going to apply that underneath our eyes and in our T-zone. You guys have seen me use this product a million times. Patrick also used this in his video, and I was like, okay, I'm glad I'm not the only one that hasn't given up on the banana powder. Like I've had this for years, and it's just a gift that keeps on giving. Okay, so I think I used the wrong side. I used this thick side, but it's too big for this area that I need, so I'm going to tap it in with the smaller side. For me, I'm having a little issue getting into where I need to get into, so I'm gonna fold it. And then, okay, yes, that helped a lot. So fold it if you end up getting this, and tap in your concealer that way. And I was worried because I just used that Tantour all over using this bottom piece, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I thought it was gonna make, when I did my powder, too dark, but it's actually really perfect. So I'm excited. Oh, listen, she said no lines, and she delivered. I am not seeing lines. It is looking really, really, really good. Now, we're going to apply our Born This Way setting powder all over the rest of our face. And we know we have to set our face to give ourselves that airbrushed, really smooth look. So I'm just going to tap it in and apply that. Now, you gotta think about it. Usually I'm using brushes, I'm using sponges. With this product, you can recreate this entire video with one sponge. Like, you still do need to invest in the other things, but one sponge can be used on this entire thing. So I don't know about you, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all drive me crazy when you ask me, when you tell me you watch my videos and say you want to do the look, but you don't want to buy the stuff. I give you guys affordable things. Help a sister out. Okay, we're in here. Get a little bit on that nose, the bridge of the nose. Y'all, this is so pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so pull this back down. It keeps coming up. We gotta give you guys a little. Okay, so we did that. I'm getting excited because I love this product. I have the best sister in the entire planet for getting me that. Okay, so now we're going to use our highlight and quickly highlight. I'm just using my little baby blender, and we're going to just highlight our cheeks. And sorry, for the highlighter, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Peach Nectar. And wow, that looks really good. And you can see it shows up very easily. Now, I do see some spots in my concealer underneath the eye that are a little dark because of the fact I had used my foundation there before, so I don't love that. I don't know if Tati thought about, you know, people of my skin tone using this, but Tati, that's just one thing to consider. And like I said before, I am nervous about washing this, but I think I may actually wash it and show you how it looks at the end of the, if we're gonna review, we need to review, right? Okay, so now I'm using my Juvia's Place blush. Oh, we're just tapping that right on in on top of our Anastasia Beverly. And this is the Bella brush from Juvia's Place. So I like it. I like it. It looks really good. I always do a little bit. And then a little bit on my nose. Perfect. I'm gonna put on my lip and then I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will say there's like certain areas, I don't know if it's because I was rushing or that aren't perfectly blended in. Maybe it was the technique I'm using, I'm not quite sure, but all in all, I really do like this product. Big beauty blender, little beauty blender, get 3 girl beats worlds. Yes, add a 3, okay? It is, I'm sold. I'm sold. It saves me time, it saves me money. I don't know if it saves product yet. And I am going to show you guys what the cleaning process looks like. So I just got through washing my Tati Beauty Blendiful brushes. And this one was just the concealer and blush, and you see it's really clean. But this one, with the product that I have to use for my skin color, didn't all the way wash out all the way, and I was scrubbing and I was using pretty high heat. So it doesn't clean for, I feel like, darker skin type foundations. It doesn't come off as easily, but like I said before, this does wash out if you are fair complexion. So I don't think that's enough to sway me into not purchasing this for others or not using it. Like I said, if you can use one applicator on your entire face with all the different products, and you saw how many different products I used, I really do think it's still worth it. Honestly, even if it does take me a while to clean, I really do feel fine with that. Like, it's just so quick and so easy. And like I say, my followers really don't know where to start sometimes with brushes and which set to buy and where to buy. So I honestly really love it, and I think you guys will love it too. So check this out, Tati Beauty. It retails for $18. You can check it out on tatibeauty.com. Good job, girl. That's it on Tati Beauty Blender. I've told you the price. I've shown you what she said about it. And now check it out. Leave a comment below if you have. And please, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you can get updates. And if you turn on that little notification bell, you'll get alerts every time I upload something new. So check it out. See you later.